Insecticidal.
What's going on, insecticidal gang? So I sowed some seed yesterday, but I have back rhizome cuttings here, and this is where the seed is gonna go. So I'm gonna be taking these from here and putting them over here under these LED panels. As you can see, these LED panels are having no issues growing Sarracenia seedlings. One problem is those tube lights that are on that other shelf are not as strong as these LED panels are, and I don't want to shock the plants. But I'm going to show you what we're going to do to make sure that doesn't happen. What I have here is a PPFD meter, a par meter. So I'm going to turn it on. And these are the three Barenas that are on this shelf. And I'm going to take a measurement. So in the center, they're roughly, let's just call it 250 ppfd. Now the panels are much stronger, so watch this. About the same height as the pots. You're looking at 760 ppfd. That's way too big of a shock. But these lights have an adjuster. So I'm gonna turn them down to give them a little bit of a jump, but not this big of a jump. This is like triple the amount of light that they are under right now. So give me a second. All right, so what I'm gonna do is use this light meter and hold it in its place while I adjust the lights. And you'll see the number starts to decrease. I'm gonna set this right around about 300. Yeah. I'm gonna set it right about there. 280, 290. Because when I close the front mylar flap, it's gonna go up about 75 to 100 ppfd anyway. So I'm gonna leave it about right there. This is a spot where I've been putting my back rhizome propagations. And you can see, I mean, these are only 2 months old. Some of them got some good growth going, some of them haven't got going at all. So I'm hoping this change in environment, a little bit of increased light, which will equal increased heat, will maybe get the other ones going. But here, as you can see, the measurements are pretty accurate. Back here. Yeah. That'll do them some good. Set the cycle out. So one thing I want to say, as much as I appreciate how much you all trust me to give you good advice and other people on the internet, I always preach investing. If you're gonna take this hobby serious, or any hobby, I preach investing into that hobby, because no one on the internet can tell you how good your water is or how good your lights are. You have to get some, level of instrumentation and invest into it to find out for yourself what's going to and what's not going to work for your particular situation. Even if you have the same exact lights as mine, a different rack without mylar, without this and without that, will yield different results than what I'm getting at the same heights. So you want to, spend a little bit of money and dial your stuff in like that, and that's how you maximize growth and the potential of your plants. But appreciate y'all taking a look at this. Insecticidal out.